how do you hear about the Repair Cafe?
I saw it in the local magazine, Free Magazine.
And what have you brought in for us today?
I put in an electrical fire that is broken, and our chap John here is trying to fix it for us.
So what was the problem with it?
The electric heater, it has a device which you rotate, which turns it on and off, which regulates the temperature, and that had basically fused. It wasn't working at all. So I fixed it by changing the mode of operation, shall we say, and it now works.
Jacket, a winter jacket. A sort of anorak.
And what was wrong with it?
The seam on the sleeve had become detached.
What are you doing to repair the anorak?
Basically what I've done is I've opened up the lining, and then I've managed to go through the inside of the jacket to then re-stitch on the sewing machine this long seam that's down it's actually the side seam. So I've re-stitched all of that. Now that was only the only seam that I've got, I hope. And then I'm just now slip stitching the lining back up so that it looks invisible. So you can't see any repair, hopefully, that's the whole point.